In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an arrow mark down on a chart in TradingView. This is a very simple but powerful little tool that can make your charts much clearer, especially when you want to highlight specific price points, reversals, or important moments in the market. First, make sure you have your chart open in TradingView and that you're on the layout where you usually analyze your markets. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. This is where TradingView keeps all of its drawing tools and shapes. Look for the icon that represents geometric shapes. Depending on your theme and layout, this might look like a rectangle, a triangle, or a combination of basic shapes. When you hover over it, you'll usually see a tooltip that confirms you're in the right place. Go ahead and click on that geometric shapes icon. Once you click it, a small menu will expand, showing you several different drawing options, such as rectangles, circles, triangles, and various types of arrows. From this expanded list, you want to locate the option called Arrow Mark Down. This tool is specifically designed to place a downward pointing arrow on your chart. Click on Arrow Mark Down to activate it. You'll notice that your cursor changes, indicating that you're now in drawing mode. With the tool selected, move your cursor over the chart to the exact candle, bar, or price area where you want to place the arrow. When you're ready, simply click once on the chart. A downward arrow will appear at that point, clearly marking the spot. If you want to adjust the position slightly, you can usually click and drag the arrow to move it to the perfect location. You can also access its settings by right-clicking or using the settings icon, depending on your platform version. From there, you can change the color, size, or style of the arrow so it stands out against your chart background and fits with your overall layout. You can repeat this process to place multiple downward arrows wherever you need them, helping you quickly see key areas at a glance. When you're done placing arrows, just switch back to your regular cursor or another drawing tool from the left toolbar. That's all there is to it. By using the Arrow Mark Down tool from the Geometric Shapes menu, you can make your TradingView charts clearer, more organized, and easier to review later.